In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Kraken Desktop application for your laptop or PC. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Kraken is currently offering up to 75 euros or dollars for new users. So all you need to do is create an account with the link I will leave on the description below, or you can also use my invite code. And after that, you should see a window with some requirements you need to do. So you will usually need to deposit 100 or 200 euros and then trade them, which can be just converting them from one crypto to another. And after you have completed the task, you will automatically get money directly on your Kraken wallet, and you can withdraw it to your bank account whenever you want. Then you can keep inviting more friends, so you will get up to 75 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken. So don't forget to join Kraken with the link in the description below. So you just need to go to kraken.com/desktop. I will leave the link in the description below as well, and click on download the app. Now right here we will need to select our OS, so it can be Mac, Windows, Linux or Debian. In my case I'm using Windows, so I will click right here and the download should begin. So it should only take a few seconds, and after you open the file that we just downloaded, you should see something like this. We just need to click next, then you can read all this and check this checkbox right here, click on next. Now you can change the path of the installation if you want to. In my case I will leave the default path, click next and click install. Now it will begin installing Kraken Desktop, and this will only take a few seconds or minutes. After the download is completed, it should automatically open Kraken Desktop, and right here we can sign in into our account. After you log into your account, you should have a small tour right here, a quick tour. We can close this window if we want, and now we can start using the platform. So we got some default templates right here. You can also create your own layout if you want to, and there are a lot of features that I can't explain right here because it has too many things, but you should do the tour if you don't understand how it works, or you can search for it on the Kraken official page. So that's it. That's how you can download Kraken Desktop application. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.